For this functions problem, they give us a list of ordered pairs and they say what could be missing. So the key that you need to notice is that word linear. We're not just talking about each input having one output. We need to find what the rate of change is. So I like to do this in a table. For me, it's just easier. You do not have to, but you have -2, 0, 2, and now you're not sure what to have happen. So -2 goes to -3, 0 goes to -2, 2 goes to -1, and now you're wanting to know what would happen next. So it tells you it's linear. So you can say, oh, if I'm counting by twos, I'm going up by 2, then my next one could be also up by 2. So that could be 4. And when I happen to be going up by 2, I'm only going up by 1 over here. So my next one could go up by 1, and -1 plus 1 would be 0. So my next point could be 4, 0. I could keep going and find other points, but there's no need to do that. I could confirm that -2 to 0 is +2 and that this is +1, but you don't have to since I told you it was linear.